Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior Design. So thank you for the support that you are giving towards our channel. We are road to 2k subscribers. So I'm giving you just an update of this 2-bedroom house that you see over here. I think today is day 6 or day 7, but you can see how so far how the project is ongoing. So I will let you inside and then I show you the update for each and for up to now, and then you see how is it. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, share, comment, and maybe anything. If you have any question, you can just ask over us. So like you can see here, this will be our master bedroom, that will be over here, and then that is the window. And then like you can see here, this is our balcony that is over here. Like you can see, it's just small, but I think it's quite accommodative for this room. Like you can see that because it is just a 2-bedroom house with a sitting and a toilet. So but a toilet we are still negotiating if it will be a public toilet or will be an ensuite of one of our bedrooms. So here, this is the balcony, like you can see over there. Like this is the pillars that will be these are the pillars that will be using this to hold this balcony over here. And then even we are discussing if we'll either put a grill over here at the end of the day, or we will use some spindles to bring that beauty of our house. So, and then like you can see, this is the main entrance that it leads us towards our sitting room, like you can see over here. So this is the sitting room. Like you can see, it's quite big enough. I think the measurement are for, is it 21? Like you can see, it's so quite big. Like you can see guys, it's even if you can separate it, you can have like two, you can separate maybe according to arrangement with for the seat. You can put maybe either sideways like a small dining room, and then the other side you can put it like a sitting room. So they have windows that you can see there. So here, this is the first window, of which will be using a sliding window for this entire project. And then here is another window, and then here there's a small window that is over here that will be used to access from maybe someone coming from the main entrance. From the main entrance, one can see him or her while coming to this house. So like you can see guys, our masonry are still working. So it is I think tomorrow we'll be starting our lintel that will be over that will be starting tomorrow, so as to and then the other day they will be adding another additional focus at the top of this house. So and then here, this is like a small veranda that is over here that separates with our 2-bedroom, and then our toilet that is over here. So I will let you, and then like you can see here on my left hand, that will be we assume that will be our master bedroom, and then the other one, that is another 2nd bedroom. So let me take you, this is our master bedroom. So like you can see, this is our master bedroom. It's, I think even this one is also quite spacious and accommodative. It accommodates like maybe even 4 beds or 3 beds, depending on even if it is like a 6 by 5 by 6 or 4 by 4 4 by 6, depending with the size that you have. It can accommodate as a long, maybe some many beds. And then this is the window. Like you can see, it's a window of 5. Like you can see, it's quite big enough so as to provide the natural light towards this bedroom. And then this is another window that is over here. But I think these courses, they will be removed so as to have the same measurement for the wall for this window, like you can see over there. And then even here, like here there's I think in each and every corner of the house we were placing this beam, like you can see, of each and every corner, so as to have, let's say, as in to hold our house very into a very big position. So this is another one, like each and every, and then here this is the center of the house, so we have to put here so as to minimize those pressure, the weight of all entire house that will be here at the center, and then even our roofing top when we'll be starting roofing here. So, and then we are debating if, like I told you, we are debating if maybe God willing we'll just have here a door that will be leading towards our master bedroom, or they will be using the other toilet as a public toilet. So this is the small veranda, like you can see. It ends up towards this is the toilet, like you can see. It's even quite spacious. It maybe if you can even have it can accommodate even 2 people while inside over this toilet. It's quite spacious, like you can see over there. And then here on my left hand, so this is another second bedroom, like you can see. It's of same measurements. I think it was of 16, is it 16 or 18 there? So like you can see, it's 16, and then it's quite big. The thing the owner suggests to have a bigger rooms, so as to have let's say to have, maybe he has a future, maybe having maybe like children's or someone. So so maybe, but this house we are building for the parents, for the owner of this. So maybe when he has some visitors or somewhere, maybe grandchildren, they will be staying over this another second bedroom. So like you can see, even it has a bigger window, like you can see over there, and then even the other one, it is on the here. So I told you the windows are all of sliding window that we'll be using over here. And then even like I told you earlier, in each and every corner we have placed a beam that so as to hold the weight of this entire house. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, and then comment whenever you feel maybe you have made a mistake, or whenever you feel that we have made a mistake, we can rectify, or we can just give you the reason why we did that. Maybe where you are commenting, maybe for us we have done maybe a mistake, or whichever way. So even our comments we appreciate so much, so as to maybe we have maybe forgotten, or we have to expand maybe our knowledge somewhere, to maybe whenever maybe you have the building knowledge. So thank you. And then I think I will give you a quotation of this entire house project from scratch up to the end, so as to have maybe you have a future to build such a house. You can just follow those procedures that I've given you, that I'll be giving you, and then the quotation or even the amount, and then you'll be using it whenever you'll want to acquire a certain house. So let's meet on the next video, but don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then turn on the notification bell, so as whenever I post this incredible content, you'll be the first one to be notified when I post each and every video of our building journey. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.